Hi guys, I'm Sonic's friend Sonic's back in New York and I'm just using his account. And I thought it would be really nice to make a video for him. Next video, he's gonna be in it. Yeah, that's kind of like it's tomorrow. So here I am, back and forth, never again, lose again. Mm, yeah, friends on. Actually, it was his brother. I don't know when Fox is gonna actually come. His brother was like running all around the place. I'm Sonic's brother's friend. Actually, I'm Sonic's stepbrother. Yeah, I can't believe it, actually. Well, bye guys. You should really get this up. McDonald's. Here's the flavors. I'm gonna put it up. That's pretty freaky, huh? So, well, here's Sonic's brother's name. That's a pretty weird name, isn't it? Well, bye. He's like half, actually he's half human, half hedgehog. It's because a hedgehog and a human like made out together. That's how Sonic's brother is. He's half human, half hedgehog. Bye guys. I'll see you on the next video.